your fever will go down. Inshallah, your breath will be suppressed. If he does not use the word inshallah, he is not a practicing Muslim. This is the difference. Another thing of Surah Fatiha is Ash-Shifa, the cure. And you know the hadith of the beloved Prophet ﷺ. When the Bedouin, when the Arabs, when they go to a village and they don't welcome them, and the leader of the tribe, he is bitten by a snake. And they ask him, do you have any treatment? So the companions say that because you did not treat us well, you did not welcome us, we will charge you for the treatment. And they agree. And they ask for some flocks, and they give it. And one of the Sahaba, he recites the Surah Fatiha. But when they give the flock, they said, no, first we'll ask the Prophet whether is it allowed for us to take and make use of the flock. If he's a Muslim, pray to Allah. If he's a non-Muslim, okay, pray to God. Then he gives the Shifa. That's the reason, while giving medicine, for a Muslim modern medical doctor, he has to use the word insha. This is the difference between the approach of prophetic medicine to healing vis-a-vis the modern medical treatment. Yes, when I was at medical college, I had very few Muslim colleagues who were doing the bachelor's for medicine. More than 90% were non-Muslims.